Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can delete your field account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your field app. So once you open your field app, it will take some time to boot itself up. Then it will lead you to this kind of interface. Now once you are here, you need to press on the profile like icon. So there you need to simply scroll down below to app setting, and once you tap it on, you will find the delete my account option on the last step of the option. So simply tap on delete my account and press on yes, delete my account. So once you do this, you need to simply press on the no thank you option, or you can also give them reasons why you are leaving, and in this way you can delete your field account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.